An engineering watch is a period where a person or a group of people are responsible for the safe and efficient operation of the ship's machinery. The officer in charge of the engineering watch is important for the safe operation of machinery on the ship. They need to inspect, operate, and test all machinery and equipment under their responsibility. The relieving officer should properly inform the duty officer about their arrival and confidently take charge of the engineering watch. The third engineer is handing over the watch to fourth engineer, who is taking over.
Hello, Port. I'm here to hand over the watchkeeping duty to you.
Good to see you, third. I'm ready to take over.
When handing over the watch, the relieved officer should inform the relieving officer about ongoing tasks, machinery conditions, special operations, and potential hazards.
But before I hand over, I need to inform you about a few things. Firstly, we've been the following standing orders and special instruction from the chief engineer related to the operation of the ship system and machinery.
Third engineer proceeds to explain the current status of machinery, operational modes, any ongoing maintenance, tank levels, and special orders from chief engineer related to ship operations and safety.
Also, I have made sure that all important machinery and equipment are in good condition. Alarm systems are operational, and any specific requirements for certain operations are met.
Okay, noted. I understand the responsibilities and what needs to be monitored. Thanks for the detailed handover.
Fourth engineer summarizing the instruction given. Before taking over the watch, the duty officer must assess if the relieving officer is capable. The relieving officer should be aware of all ongoing tasks and potential hazards. The relieving officer should need to be familiar with all the machinery, equipment, and systems in the engine room, as well as the standing orders and special instructions from the chief engineer officer.
I am aware of my responsibilities, and I will make sure that all necessary checks are made, monitor all the machineries, and I'll be prepared to handle any emergencies.
Great to hear that, Fort. I have full confidence in you. Remember to record any events related to the machineries during your watch and inform the chief engineer if needed. Okay?
Thank you, third. I will uphold the safety and efficiency of this engine room.
Both officers maintain clear and effective communication, ensuring that they understand each other and any potential challenges are addressed promptly. Third engineer leaves the engine room, and fourth engineer takes charge to commence the routine duties of the engineering watch.
All right, everyone. Let's start our routine. Check all the machineries, keep an eye on the system, and ensure that there's no problem on our machinery. And please remember, safety first.
Okay, sir.
As the fourth engineer takes charge to commence the engineering watch, he makes sure to make rounds, ensuring all machinery is functioning properly, monitoring systems, and being prepared to respond to any emergencies. The relieving officer must maintain watchkeeping arrangements, supervise engine room ratings, constantly monitor the instrumentation and control systems, ensuring that all power supplies and components are functioning correctly, and should also be ready to respond promptly to any alarms or emergency situations that may arise. Additionally, the relieving officer should conduct regular rounds of inspection throughout the engine room to identify any equipment malfunctions or failures. It is very important for them to take immediate action to rectify any issues to maintain the safety of the ship, crew, cargo, and the environment. Lastly, all important events and activities related to the operation, adjustment, or repair of the ship's machinery must be accurately recorded to ensure transparency and accountability. This documentation will be beneficial for future reference and to provide details to the Chief Engineer Officer or other relevant authorities.